for something big. Not even Monstroid 2, but Monstroid Square. It will bring you much more freedom compared to its predecessor. With the emphasis made on quality, Monstroid 2 is a 100% GPL product. It means that paying once, you'll be able to install it as many times as you want, with no restrictions, compliant with WordPress coding standards. Optimized for SEO and speed. Features
With EasyJet, creating websites becomes instant. Get over 12 unique homepages such as event, CrossFit studio, spa salon, business, construction, architecture, portfolio, restaurant, car repair, photo studio, and more. And edit them in real time with Elementor. You also get Jet Elements add-on, 90 high-quality images. All that beauty is installed in one click and will always be fully responsive and professionally supported.
You to run an online store right from the WordPress dashboard. You get 10 pre-designed skins and Elementor Page Builder, which makes page customization extremely easy and quick. As all the others, this theme is fully responsive and mobile-friendly. It goes along with pre-installed plugins and widgets, so you can use the theme right upon the purchase. BuildWall is a WordPress theme having tons of pre-made demos and ready-to-use pages. It's intended for construction companies, but with this theme, you get full creative freedom and create any type of a website you want. BuildWall goes with drag-and-drop Elementor Page Builder. As always, you get pre-installed plugins and widgets and fully responsive design. Plus, you can easily create your online store with a fully loaded WooCommerce package. Hazel is a minimal, clean, and modern WordPress theme, going with 9 pre-built skins with tons of ready-to-use pages. It's easy to install and set up, packaged with awesome premium plugins, and has fully responsive design. You can customize it the way you want and give it a unique look to reflect your creative personality. It's perfect for blogs, portfolio websites, and more. I hope you enjoyed watching this collection of the top premium WordPress themes you can get on Template Monster Marketplace. Find the links in the description and see them yourself.